Have you ever been scrolling through your Instagram feed? You're seeing all these awesome photos that these photographers have been taking. They might have been halfway around the world taking these banger shots, and you're sitting in your bed at home, you're like, man, I'd love to be taking these photos, but I just either don't have enough money or the patience to go traveling halfway across the world just to get one good photo. So I had a thought, an idea. What if I could take a really good photo in a really average location? So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go head over to a local train station and I'm going to see if I can pull out an upload worthy photo from a really average location. So let's find out. I'm excited to see if we can actually do this.
I just can't resist you. I'm giving up. I'm giving up.
So I've just arrived at this platform here and there seems to be a bit of a problem. It actually says that it's closed. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'm going to probably have to head over to the other platforms. Hopefully there's some trains so we can get some long exposures. But yeah, I'm not really sure if we're going to get any photos tonight because we need trains obviously for this to work. So fingers crossed and we'll see what we can get. So I've just arrived at the second platform here and I think I can hear a train coming. Yep. We're in luck, there's a train, so we can shoot that. We'll see what sort of shots we can get. So I've just got told off by the PSOs here. Apparently I'm not allowed to film, which is kind of fair enough because of terrorist threats and all that. But I'm gonna actually have to head home because the next train comes in half an hour. So I'm gonna have to head home now, but I'm pretty sure I got a couple good shots. I'm gonna see what we can do with them. And yeah, we'll head home now.
I'm giving up.
Right, so that was pretty loud, sorry. So we're back home now and we got the photos. Pretty happy with how they turned out considering the short amount of time that we're on that shoot. Ideally, I would have liked to stay there for a bit longer to get more photos, maybe take some lower angles, get some different sort of shots, you know what I mean? Just to play around a bit more with my exposures and all that sort of stuff. But obviously I got told off and they weren't really happy with me filming and taking photos at the station, which is kind of fair enough. But anyway, I've still got these 3 photos, which I'm pretty sure that I can work with. So we have the first one here, which is just a still shot of a train just as it arrived to the platform. So it's still a cool shot, but it could be better. It's just still, there's not much really going on in the photo. So ideally I'd like a little bit more movement. And as you can see in the second photo now, we have that movement. I did this by pressing the button to take the photo as the train was moving. So that's the second photo. It's better from the first one. We've made some improvement, which is great, but I still wasn't fully happy with it. And that's because the idea that I had in my head to start off with was actually to get this sort of taillights of the train going in the image, just whooshing by me, whooshing by the camera and getting that real sense of motion in the image. So with the last photo here, I think that I achieved that pretty well. And what I did to get the shot was I pressed the button just before the train, like the end of the train was coming. So the train was coming, I saw it was getting faster and faster, and just as the rear of the train was about to pass me, I pressed my shutter and that would have captured the back of the train going past my camera, which got the rear tail lights of that train in the image. So that's created this really cool red effect from the lights, which just gives the image an extra pop, a bit of vibrance, as opposed to just the side of the train. So we started off with this image here, which was a still one, and we've ended up with something like this, just by experimenting a little bit, being a little bit patient. Even though it was a really short shoot, I was literally at the station for about 15 or 20 minutes. We've ended up with this awesome looking photo just by timing the shutter right, using a little bit of a longer exposure and just getting that low angled shot. So there you have it. That sort of proves to you that you don't always have to go to these awesome locations or travel halfway around the world just to get a good photo. I want to hand it over to you guys now. I want you to go out to an average location, somewhere near your house or somewhere that you wouldn't expect to take a really good photo. And I want to see if you can create something similar to this photo or something that you would like to upload to your Instagram account. So as always, I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did like it and want to see some other videos similar to this, remember to like and comment some video ideas down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time.